What is this? What is this name? This name is fruits. Okay. What do you eat? I eat fruits. I eat fruits. Apple. What do you eat? I eat apple. I eat apple. Okay. What do you eat? I eat apple. Now here is banana. This name is banana. What do you eat? I eat banana. What do you eat? I eat banana. Okay. I eat banana. Here is coconut. Coconut. What do you eat? I eat coconut. What do you eat? I eat coconut. Now jackfruit. This name is jackfruit. What do you eat? I eat jackfruit. I eat jackfruit. Grapes. Grapes. What do you eat? I eat grapes. I eat grapes. What do you eat? I eat grapes. Guava. What do you eat? I eat guava. What do you eat? I eat guava. I eat guava. Mango. This name is mango. What do you eat? I eat mango. What do you eat? I eat mango. Now orange. What do you eat? I eat orange. What do you eat? I eat orange. I eat orange. Papaya. This name is papaya. What do you eat? I eat papaya. What do you eat? I eat papaya. Pineapple. What do you eat? I eat pineapple. What do you eat? I eat pineapple. Strawberry. What do you eat? I eat strawberry. I eat strawberry. Now here is lychee. Lychee. What do you eat? I eat lychee. What do you eat? I eat lychee. Okay. Now watermelon. Watermelon. This name is watermelon. What do you eat? I eat watermelon. What do you eat? I eat watermelon.